Let's go. Let's see the Super Mansions one. Oh no. Oh my god, it's a mansion? Oh my god, it's a mansion? We got the freaking mansion feature, guys. We got the mansion feature on Huff and Even More Puff. Come on, baby. Mansions, baby. Alright, friends, we're back. Our buddies to the right just killed it on a Super Mansion feature, won like $800-900 on a $4 bet. And that was fun to watch. They're having a good time, and now we are ready for a little bit more. We had a good session to start, went down and came back up to even. We want to keep on grinding to see if we can put on some more bonuses for everybody. Oh my god, what in the heck is this? This is one corporate pig. One stupid corporate pig, and that would have been like $200 or $1 million. Who knows? Oh my god, triple noiser, and they're one each. Come on, 3 at the end, please. Oh my goodness. What was that 3 stack? Just 3 stack and nothing? That was an annoying 3 stack if I've ever seen one. Come on now. I'm wondering why it makes that buzz sound noise at the end when there's only one more buzz out that can drop. It's so weird. Because it already does 2 and then it does 1. Like no one knows why it does that. So let's do some $3 bets. Gold buzzsaw, we need something else with it. Come on, corporate pig. You know what we need. You could have done 2 more. You could have done 2 more, Mr. Huff and Even More Puff. Those 2 we could have used earlier. Oh god, the golden one just went by. I'm terrified that it's going so fast right now. I'm terrified how fast this is going by. All right, let's go back to 2 cent. That was doing good for us earlier. Now, not as much. That whole page of corporate pigs, what the heck was that earlier? You know, we could have had something huge. Okay, so do we need to put something else in here? So we're doing another 100, putting it in right now. Trying our best to hit something big. We already got an upgrade feature, but it was definitely a lackluster upgrade feature. I mean, it was exciting to get it. Oh, okay. It was exciting to get it, and it's exciting to guess. Where is this? Gold, please, at the end. Oh, okay. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. You know what we need, people. You know what we need. Let the anticipation build. Let the anticipation build. Another wheel feature. Come on now. Let's get something good. Let's get an upgrade or something huge. Our friends to the right are very turns up. Let's go. Let's get some of that energy. Anything but the mini. Yeah, Mega Hat. It's usually Mega Hat. It's usually Mega Hat. It could have been Mansion. We'll take it. Getting a howler as a bonus is always nice. Oh my god, is it that? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I always get lucky with 4 though, but it would have just nice to start with a 15, you know? It's just nice to start with 15. Come on now. 3 and then 3. 3 and then 3. Those are the progressives up there, so. Come on, mansions now. It keeps picking through the top. What is that? Why does it gotta do that to us? Every single time, it just peaks. It's pretty brutal. I won't lie, it's pretty brutal. But it is Huff and Puff. It is Huff and even more Puff. It's nice to get howlers. We're on minimum bet, 2 cents. Trying our best here, Wolfie. Come on now. Give us some coins. We can hit a coin in here, right? Definitely hit a major. That would be crazy. Oh, it is a coin. Mini. It's funny getting a coin in there. No, we'll take it. Listen to the silly music. $36. Thank you so much. Now back to back. And getting these upgrades and stuff is pretty hard. It's nice to get 2 since we've been playing, but I think we can do it again. Let's go to this one. Where are we at? $1. Puff and even more Puff. If you're jealous this isn't at your local casino yet, it will be soon. It will be soon. I haven't seen it anywhere else in Vegas except for the Wynn, so even in Vegas it's hard to find anywhere else. What the heck is that? So, all right, so we're in for 200 in this round. All right. I think the machines are way looser than they were last time right now, but because everyone's hitting something on every side. We're the ones not hitting something huge yet, but we're trying. Come on, the way these are falling is, oh, 2 in the end. Come on. Where's the 2 in the end? Someone yelled 5 mansions on that side, so she's got something good going on. Oh, 1 tape measure. That whole page of corporate pigs was so lame. We just missed out on it so bad. Three in the end. We've gotten so many 3 stacks at the end. The Sahara game behind us has been so hot the last few days. I've seen like so many hand pays on it. I should probably play it. All right, it's crazy that's 75 cents. Let's go to what? So this is, so 10. So 3. Let's go to 2 cents, our lucky 2 cents. Just one more big bonus would be so nice. Come on. Stupid corporate pigs just blocking all of our fun. 2 more?
All the smallest numbers.
4 more. Why not 4 more? All right, $4 bonus, 2 cents, $4. What do we need, people? Okay. Channel your energy. Channel your energy. Everyone breathe very deeply. Whew. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's see the super mansions one. Oh no. Oh my god, it's a mansion. Oh my god, it's a mansion. We got the freaking mansion feature, guys. We got the mansion feature on Huff and Even More Puff. Come on, baby. Mansions, baby. Oh my god, yes. The bottom reel, the regular reel, it's $4 bet, but let's see what happens. Ooh, we got the energy from our neighbors to the right. Come on now. Holy crap, this is crazy. I got mansion feature once in the regular one. Mansion feature on Huff and Even More Puff. We got absolutely wrecked today at the World Series of Poker circuit. Let's get some, oh no, no dead spins on this, please. They're so important here. No dead spins, please. Call one. No dead spins here. Come on now. This is so important. All right, come on, let's go. Sweat it. 3, 1 retrigger. Come on now. It keeps dropping 1 or 2 at a time, but mansion feature on Huff and 1. All right. Not 1 retrigger, but I mean that's almost a full page. Oh my god, come on now. Huff and Even More Puff mansion feature, let's go. Some coins, please. I know it's not 10x, so it would be around 400 if it wasn't. If it was the old one. Come on now. Come on, keep going. Minor. Wheel. All right. Hey, we'll take that. That a jackpot? Oh my god. That's a jackpot, baby. Jackpot on Huff and Even More Puff, $4 bet. We got wrecked in the World Series of Poker circuit event, but it's really nice to get a hand pay over here. Oh man, this is awesome. We got a bunch of people out here. What's up, what's up? Yeah. We're out here in the Wynn. Friends to the right, friends to the left. Energy. Those dudes were so hype earlier. They won like $800 and went to dinner. But this is crazy. We appreciate it. That one is huge. What is that one? $750 just up there, right? Holy crap. To win $1,000 on Huff and Even More Puff, it's been hard on a $4 bet. So let's go. Hand pay on Huff and Even More Puff. YouTube, we did it. We came over here, we got wrecked in the World Series of Poker circuit event. We were coming back tomorrow, but we said let's come on and do something fun over here. And we did. $4 bet, 300 and something times our bet. That is absolutely quite delightful. Oh yeah, the call attendant. Nice. You got the gold one? Nice. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh. Come on now. Our neighbors got it. Hell yeah. Can I sweat you guys? Can I sweat you guys? All right, go. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Yeah, I'm on YouTube. Chonky Slot Donkey. Oh yeah, hell, you guys up there too? Oh, you are? Okay, we'll exchange info after. Hell yeah, hell yeah. So we got, yes, absolutely. Follow our friends. We'll link their page up here too. Everyone's having fun together. Come on now, something big. Hi, sorry, do you need my info? Yeah. Yes, mine, yeah. Get it up. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, I'll be back, people. All right, people. Hand pay time at the Wynn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1, 2, 320, and 1.
Appreciate you.